In today's ship spotlight video, we're covering the Cap San Diego, an iconic German cargo ship. The Cap San Diego is a historic general cargo ship built in 1961 by Deutsche Werft in Hamburg, Germany, as the last of the White Swans of the South Atlantic. She was part of a fleet of elegant cargo liners operated by Hamburg Sud, primarily servicing routes to South America. Measuring 482 feet long, she combined practicality with sleek design and was known for her speed and seaworthiness. The Cap San Diego served actively in global trade until the mid 1980s when she was retired and narrowly avoided being scrapped. Today she is preserved as a museum ship in Hamburg, Germany, fully operational and open to visitors. Guests can explore her engine room, crew quarters, cargo holds, and even book overnight stays. The Cap San Diego remains a floating tribute to post war German shipbuilding and maritime commerce.